So you're now in tune to Star Media, IP Radio, webcasting from Kingston, Jamaica. Now, this web program is brought to you by smtvs.com. Smtvs, news and updates. Yeah, bless and respect to everyone out there on the internet, Facebook, and on Twitter, and Google+. I got a time to really go over to Facebook or Google or Twitter in a few days because I've been really working on the cloud administration system. So this morning, tech news, we talk about, like I said, I've not been on Facebook a lot of things because I've been working really hard on the site's administrative system, which is really big. You know what I mean? We have page builder that's building video pages and file manager to manage your file and site builder just in case you want to just build a fresh site from scratch. Administration is packed up form builders, button builders, image editor, to give you all the tools that you need. Reference on HTML5 or Java, and even free scripts you can pick up right inside the administration and use in your development. So I've been putting all the pieces together, and about only 2 links are left there to really link up. It's the IPTV administration system and the flash generator. About only thing. And I love my flash generators. It's been through a lot of generation, and I'm going to take it to another level. So that's why I did not really put it in. So yeah, let's talk about the cloud and thing. And you hear me mention a key system. Okay, in the cloud, to use a flash generator administrative system, the big one, you need a key. Even to use a small one, let me reframe. To use the HTML5 generator, you also need to have the key to open the door. To go inside the IPTV management building suite, you also need to have a key. And that's basically what it's all about. And a key is not free. One will have to buy the key for each program. Okay, so while we're on the subject of talking about stuff, scripts, and let's plug script place that's really good. AdScript, you guys can definitely check out AdScript, man. My recommendation from AdScript is not now, it's like from 10 years ago, so we are really big on them, right? Java, source code, right? Places like that. And we got a new one on the list today. We're going to big them up because when I go to their site and I take that example, I look at it. If it's good, I'll give them a plug. So this one, SitePoint. Yeah, SitePoint, that's a place you can go and find example on editable editors, editing place, plugin, right? Editing place with Ajax using jQuery and Java library, JavaScript library, right? Place like that, or table editors, right? Inline text editing, you know what I mean? Ajax instant editing script, you can find a bunch of them there. So you want to find these things as a programmer, someone as a developer, you can definitely go there and look, right? So we'll try to talk about that. And also, don't forget my little buddy, my friend, online, John Morris, right? JohnMorrisOnline.com. Yeah, you guys check out JohnMorrisOnline.com. John is a great teacher. In fact, I watch John's show all the time on YouTube when I'm not doing anything. Always something good there, right? Okay. So, as we give you those guys, all right. Now, another one still, we'll try to keep things going right here, right? So, okay, over at Smtvs, we've been there working at the administration site, and sure, we should big up some guys, responsive file manager, right? Because they are a great thing, right? Tiny MCE, right? Cool. They would dabble with people's stuff, so I big them up. That's cool stuff. Okay, so you guys hear from me. So the administration system that I've been doing is really good. The fact that I myself work on content management system associated with video and audio, and when I'm using like the Tiny My MCE, right, along with other snips, it's made my program just really grow and get really big. Because what don't come with the snips, like I have a version of it or some types of script that I've worked on similar, so I just hook it up and it just works. So I love that these days that I'm integrating my program within the script that I'm finding on the web, creating a better dynamic experience for users when they come into the site and use the administration system. Now, if you're in the media administration, you just upload file, make a directory, you know what I mean, things like that, and you load an audio up and load a video up. It's in the file. You look at it, you click on it, it brings a player to you, you play it to view it. That's the sweetest thing about the file manager, right? In the code editor, code generator, it's a video builder. It generates codes and you can just insert video all there, YouTube, whatever, and do what you want. It's a creator tool, right? And so we got the Tiny MCE as another editor for the editors, for users can use that to do creating as well. Okay. So that's what's in the editor. So, you know, my tools inside the editor, the TV administration system, the flash generator, you know what I mean? And also HTML5 generator, right? That's my development within the site. That's a part of the system. You guys can get like, we have farm generators in there. You can just generate any types of farm while developing your scripts. Or I designed the code generator, so generate codes for page. And then you can open a page to get like a farm or build a farm. So most of the stuff that you need will be there in each farm. Will be pre-built, even video pages and stuff that's already built. But if you feel like you want to build something for yourself, to feel, you know, that juice, then as a developer, you know, I did that, right? So I did it both ways. You can just click, and we start out a program and I was talking about inline editing. So, you know, I'm into the inline editing work right now, alongside with everything. It's just a part of everything. Okay. So at Smtvs, we are working on the cloud media administration system. It's a site-wide tool. One comes in and join. You get a key to go to different suites within the site. And it's great. A lot of things to offer advice to young developers and developer alike that's out there. Well, think about this. Why you sit there, you're sitting around. You're waiting for someone to come. If you're not working for a big company, you're waiting for someone to come give you a gig, you know what I mean? So you put yourself up in all these places so people can see you and you can get a gig. It's millions and millions of programmers are there doing the same thing. And every day we have that much coming out of school, trying to get into the same thing. My route and way about that, that's really cool. I'm here still looking for clients to do work for and still have my sites and all the stuff that I'm putting out there. So when they come around and they look at it, they said, okay, fine, Von, it's that good, he's doing all this that we are using. Okay, but in the meantime, to get your work out there is to set up a platform where users can come and use your tools and see the working of your tools. So especially on people who make software, that the age of actually we are making a disk, copy of the software and then sell it to the client to go put on their machine. And a few days or months later, we should say days, right? A few months later, we link them back with an advertisement and said, upgrade version 0.2 or version 0.1. It's nonsense. The beauty about the cloud and having a software of any form in a cloud, that when the upgrade takes place, the client does not know. The client will just come to the administration and say, wow, new features, a new button, something is new there. And they are not getting charged for this new feature, right? But you won't charge them for the new feature because the software is in your server. So actually, some sites will give it out a little freebie, but intend for you to pay. That's the way the whole deal works on the internet. There's nothing free on the internet. VeriSite will not call names, strive off social networking crowd as far as advertisement is concerned, while some sites strive off of other than medias and stuff like that. So we all know we have to make something too in the business. So cloud software site is on the rise. The big guys are doing it, and the small guys haven't caught up yet. So let me tell you now, the future of software, to buy anyone's software in the future, you almost have to join the guy's software cloud and buy the use of the software and to do what you want. And that's where it's at, right? Okay. Any comment about the things that I've been saying, you can email me at vongunallen@gmail.com. This is our news hour, and when we do these types of news, we do upload to our YouTube account, like this one that I'm talking about. We're talking about a lot of things on the web today, so we'll definitely get a real rundown. Okay, so it's a lot of things to talk about when you see the way the future is, and that millions of programmers coming out every day. So yes, programmers still can get work, like a gig and something like that. Like John Morris said on his last show, that you got to really market yourself and put yourself out there to the clients that you're really selling to, right? Okay. And it's going to be all about entrepreneurship. So, and the freelance, right? So those are the things. But I said entrepreneur, yes, because website entrepreneur is like a thing that people don't really pay attention to that much. And we are the guys that have a website, trying our thing, trying to do these things independently of the bigger, so that's what is going on too. Not that we are trying to be like them. Yes, of course we're trying to be like them. We are trying to also keep the things the same way that is always, yes, keeping creative juice going on new development with new ideas. A developer never know what he's going to come up with. Even using other ideas from other developers will still produce a different answer, right? So as we ended the talking, IMP still taking registration over there at imusicplus.smtvs.com. You get a chance to go over there and join that site. You can see tools that I develop, okay? And you work with them and tell me how it is. So you guys will check that out, right? Also, you guys check out vga.smtvs.com. Okay, great. Go to smtvs.com main page and look around the site. One of the few links may not work, but I'm aware of that, and we'll be fixing them soon. So this is my little talk this morning on Tech News. SMTV is talking about just general stuff that's going on. Big up to all my friends at Facebook and Twitter and Google Plus, right? And last but not least, let's bring up a topic. And Vato, or something like that, marketplace. Zero. You know, every time I search the web, I come up with this one marketplace. I guess they're paying Google for ad. Vato Marketplace, right? And wow, they lost a lot of money because I bought one $10 program that don't work. And that turns off the fact that they could even got a $100 script sold, right? And the time I look at them, I'm saying, yeah, you're missing money now. Okay, so that goes for all the e-commerce online that's selling their stuff. Need to know, make sure the software works before you sell it to anyone, especially sell it to someone who's going to be blabbing every now and then about your way of doing business are not good. Right, so you guys know if you search and you see this Vato Marketplace comes up, see, do not buy. So you're now in tune to Star Media, IP radio on the web, and don't you touch that mouse. Now this program is brought to you by smtvs.com. So you guys can get over there and join IMP community. You can also get it at community.smtvs.com. Check us out. Okay, so let's talk about VG. There are new developments in the work at VG. And as VG deal with video gears and application or apps, we should see a lot of new things happening coming out of SMTVS. Of course, we talk about the new content management system that instant inline editing using Ajax and jQuery functions. Okay, fine, and still with our Java function since my system of basically Java, right? So it'll be Java all together, then the whole thing is Java, right? So look forward for our new generator, next generation generators are coming. Okay. Now, up on SMTVS, we have the first generation of the IPTV management system. Second generation have already been sitting there. And there is a third generation that's even more better. Now, when I got into development with HTML5, first thing I did was build HTML5 generator. And the generator just offered to generate an HTML5 audio or video player. I then integrated media element into it with different skins. And then integrated also the JS player to get the JS skin. We then looked at JP player, not yet integrated, and also Sound Manager tool. Okay. So the new HTML5 generator will offer you a template that carries almost everyone that we know on the web that makes HTML5 players. So you can get a JP player within a page, you can get a JS player within a page, and you can get a media element within a page, or you get just a normal HTML5 player, and maybe some custom skins, some Smtvs as well. And also, in addition to the generator, is media encoding, in-house media encoding on the generator. So that's just adding a few new features to the HTML5 system. Now, the new generation of the IPTV management system offer you all that I was just talking about, different players, plus more advanced player system to create players that will play a list of video or audio, right? Controllable players that can give you spot ads on it. So this has been a Smtvs information block, and then everybody knows what's going on with the company and everything. You guys do get over there, smtvs.com, and take a look at what's going on. Follow our developments, follow our site. We keep growing. We will only get better. And thanks for all the listeners who've been listening to my radio, news, and music. You guys stay tuned. We'll be having new music upload. Of course, you know I always do a news cast. Bless and respect to everyone on the internet. Much love to everyone. Much love to my family.